Thank you so much for your love and support. Today we'll discuss about CRD. What does it mean? Custom Resource Definition. I'll take an analogy of ready-made t-shirt store. Ready-made shirt store. You have a shop where you have a shirt with size small, medium and large. In this store you have shirt size of small, medium and large. In Kubernetes language, if I can describe it, it is like a pod deployment services. Now imagine you want a extra large for Thanos. Okay. But this big design is not available in your store. So for this, you go to a tailor. First, tailor ask, show me your template. Means how this shirt should be designed. The template is like a CRD. Means which include size, color, fabric, and many more. Once the template CRD is applied, the store Kubernetes API can accept the custom shirt order. Now the actual order for a custom shirt, this is your custom resource. But who will actually stitch the shirt? The tailor will stitch the shirt and this is your controller. Once the tailor perform the action, stitch the shirt as per order. Once the shirt is ready, tailor update the order status is ready. CRD plus controller together give Kubernetes a superpower. You can add any resource type, any behavior without the controller. Without the controller means in this example tailor, your shirt order will not sit in the system. There are many more things which is not already available in Kubernetes. To extend the caliber of Kubernetes, these CRDs came into the pictures. In Kubernetes, there we have built-in resource like pod, deployment, services, config map, secret, ingress. But many times you want to add new type of object in Kubernetes like Argo CD, Prometheus, Cert Manager, which help you to do a task which is takes much of time. These are custom resources, and for this we need to create a resource definition. So for creation of this need a resource definition. A CRD is a YAML that defines the name, API group, schema of the object that field have, whether the name is space, and many more. Once you apply CRD, Kubernetes API server can understand this is a new type. After this, you can create object with that kind. But who does the actual work? That is done by the controller. CRD defines type, only defines type, but not behavior. For this, we need a controller. What does controller do? Controller is a program running in the cluster. It watches object running in the cluster. It is usually written in Go language. When it sees a new object or a change, it perform action. Like you have seen in deployment replica set. When a replica set numbers change to 3 to 2 or modified, then controller matches the desired state versus the state stored in the etcd and make the changes done. So it may update the status of the resources. Without controller, your custom resources will sit there, nothing will happen. So CRD defines new resource type, custom resource, object of new type. Controller watches resources and perform action. So as it is a new topic, it could be expected to list CRD or go through some specification of CRD or get the content in some file. So we do have 5 mock questions to practice. So let's get started in Killer Kuda. Let's practice few mock questions. Argo CD application field extraction. Verify Argo CD is installed in cluster and create list of all CRD related to Argo CD and save to this location. Use kubectl explain to extract spec and sync policy field application custom resource to save to these locations or with file name. Okay, so Argo CD has not been installed, so we'll have to install it. Just create a namespace has been created. Now install it, paste it. Wow, that's been installed. I'll make Ctrl L to go again. Now create a list of all CRD related to Argo City and save it to this. So we have to list CRD. Okay. Now kubectl get CRDs. You will find lot of, but Argo CD mentioned. So here this is thing. So I can copy it and I'll filter. So these three things come to the top and done. Now where to save? Copy as much as possible from this question so that typo mistake can be avoided. Cat will find this. Great. Now use kubectl explain to extract a spec sync policy. So KEXPL explain pod any resources. You will get many things and then just dot status, you will get the documentation. So here just cat, I'll just to once again retype this. You don't need to type again and again. I am just for the here which application custom resources, application where you see application here project, here application sets, but here is the application. So copy this thing total, copy. Now K explain, paste it, dot spec, these are the whole thing, but sync policy, instead of writing full at once, type this way so that you can find that you are typing correctly. So now sync policy, here you also seen, then copy it and dot paste. In examination you should most of the time be careful because you type less, and that less typing you do a lot of mistake. So I'll control L and I'll redirect it to this. Great. So this question has been solved. I will cat it. I will find both file is successful. After creation of this file, you should check it whether the content is there or not. Second is traffic ingress route failed extraction. Okay. So this is also not installed. So I have to install it. So first I'll create a namespace of traffic. Don't worry, this will be available to you. All the file will be available to you in comment box. So install, I'll control L. I'll now proceed for the question. List all traffic CRD to save this to link. So kubectl get CRDs. So many things, but we are seeing traffic here. So copy it and get CRD. Filter it. You can write this only, then no worries, and then redirect it to cat. Things are there. Now extract the spec TLS ingress route custom resource, ingress routes. So this is here. So copy this full K explain dot spec dot TLS. Before redirection, you first check it the content is there or not, so that it could be done properly in one go. So cat, things are there. So we have solved two questions. Now it's time for third. Linked services profile field extraction. The installation is little tricky. So copy this. It will take a little time. Here this export path linked into, we have to paste it. Then paste the version is available. Now it's time for our question. List all K get CRDS grep link. You can write -I also. Why it is not showing? K get CRD. We have not applied we have not installed the CRDs. So install CRD. Still not available. It's been installed. So now hopefully we'll get yes. It's there. Now kubectl get CRD. Now redirect it to this, and with this routes. Okay. So service profiles. This full we have to copy and paste. So K explain there. So copy it, redirect it. Great. So in this way you have to solve these questions. So this page you will find in Buy Me Coffee, but it's free. So practice it and stay connected, stay long. Thank you so much for your love and support once again.